welcome. People that look by me. Anyways, good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Shakay and I do lifestyle vlogs. So today is Monday. We're heading out for work. Yeah, first day of the work week. So yeah, got dressed right now. This week is my black and white week. Yeah, black and white outfits. So heading out in my black and whites, and then we'll see how that goes.
This could take some time. Hey, with too many mistakes, better get this right. Oh, baby, look what you started. The temperature's rising, and here is still gonna happen. Been waiting and waiting for you.
Reach work, just waiting for my staff room to be opened. But yeah, I'm here at 7:26. So new week. Let's see how this week goes, guys. This evening, I need to remember, say I need to go to the supermarket this evening, as well as in the haberdashery. I need to remember to go there today. So let's see.
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah. When I'm with you, you got me feeling like I'm soaring higher.
Guys, so I'm heading out now, heading home right now. So oh yes, so I went to the supermarkets and to the haberdashery. I bought some stuff for like to make lunch and like for breakfast and them something there, but not much. I like 3 or 4 things, and then I went to the haberdashery and finally got back my soap. Yeah, I buy my Dove soap, the bar soap, and the the body wash. I also got some toothpicks because I ran out, and I buy something else. Remember what else? Where's my bag? Malande. I don't remember what's my bag. Oh yeah, I buy some Cetamol because my throat feel kinda weirdish, like me catch flu. So I bought a Cetamol so we can take one later. Yeah, I'm buy just 2 others for like put on. Yeah, so I'm gonna head down. I'm going down now to wash. I say I'm gonna wash like on Mondays because I used to wash on Mondays, but you know, true, me never got school, maybe just wash in day me feel like. But today I'm back on my routine, so I got to wash today. Yeah, so I'm gonna go wash. So I'll see you guys when I get down and start to do laundry. My face have break up, people. Comment down below, guys, because I have been try to find like skin routine with work for me, but I have not yet found that. And some of the comments in one of my video them I say like stop with that skin routine, the skin or whatever. So I know most of them I try to tell me say the skin routine who I have that make no sense, but honestly I do not know what to use. I usually use Cetaphil. Cetaphil never really look like it's a work unless I'm supposed to use a Cetaphil and then probably like get a clearing something. I'm not sure what on the people. I just want to show you guys what I bought. I bought a pack of these. I'm gonna empty them out in like the little pack one I have, and then buy 3 of these. They never have the morning one, so I had to just buy the night. Just ignore this one a little, right? Yeah, I'll do it a blind me, but oh well. I buy me. That sounds sweet. Buy me soap. gonna add some sun, people. I kind of need the lighting, you know? So I'm back to my dub. My Zavets. And I love the original scent. I love the original bar soap. I don't know, it's not necessarily just the scent, because I like the scent of like the brown one, but how it lathers. I don't like the rest of it don't lather properly, you know. So yeah, then got back my favorite Dove. This is the pampering one. This is one with shea butter and vanilla. Oh, I love this. I miss this scent so much. So yeah, got back my Dove. Yeah, my body wash. So I'm gonna put these in my bathroom. Yeah. Guys, I don't know what is it.
One in pasta.
She come home early and I do not know what is keeping.
Why am I staying at school? I go home. I leave school 3:15. No, 3:20.
Guys, me not even reach home and start wash and the girl reach home. Normally when she reach home, like when me a wash, me a hang up clothes. But the pan is second load.
People, COVID going around. No, don't make the doctor phone about it's no bad flow. It's COVID. And see me look like me I catch the second laps. Me, nah make it up, me I kill it.
So we'll eat up we call it.
Eat up on a vitamin. Them. Whether I fake one or a real one, eat some fruits. I feel like that's why I'm sick because a long time I don't eat fruit. I don't watch how I peel orange.
I want to tell her to give me one biscuit.
Take one.
Gotta catch another flight.
Children, comment down below. Yes, children. I said we used to it in teaching. If I should do back vlog,
say yes.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Comment down below. Thumbs up.
Or I should just stick with Shakay's. I think we should stick with Shakay's.
We need to get back out of lazy attitude, people. We need to get back to vlogging.
It's so hard to edit. You know, editing takes time. Oh my gosh. People have 4 hours step on your edit. And when me a custom, me no get me vlog. Here she says, so come on, the editing not done. I mean, I understand.
And then I'm a perfectionist when it comes to editing.
Exactly. And
I love my something look good.
If she watch me vlog, she gonna say you should have done this better. So me have to make sure say me perfectly. So I just
I don't know.
Take a long time. But people who do vlog, talk it truth. You know, hard for no edit. Me don't know how to do it. Why? Me never see no mistake in no vlog for those who watch. Me only watch couple. Some I don't watch Shakay. Big up some I don't know. I don't remember the name right now. Rihanna. Yeah, Riri. Me watch you and Dominique. Tash! Me can't remember your name. Tash your name. Tash. Me can't remember your vlog name I know. Yeah, big up on yourself. I mean I watch others too, but I mean I can't remember y'all, but big up on yourself. But tell me, in a hard phone of vlog. The orange are good for you throat though, because kind of have a little tangy.
What it nice.
What
it nice.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake.
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday that I'm heading out. But I know I took the pill last night, guys, and I was knocked out. Yeah, knockout. So my throat kind of feel better, but I'm still coughing a bit, so I know I'm not 100%. So when I get home, probably I'll have to take an extra of it because I don't want to take any tablet to school. Yeah, and I really like to take medication to go to school. So when I get back home, I will do that. There's a talkie following me, people. Yeah, ready for class, but no big no.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Hey guys, so I am back home, and right as I'm home, I'm jumping right into the work I have to do. I have may have 2 things to do for my father, and then I want to plan some activities for the club that I'm in at work, so I have that to do. And then I have something else to do, and I forgot what it is. I'll remember soon enough, but yeah. Yo, wanna look on this bumps. But yes, I'm gonna get those done, try and see if I can get that done before night. It is currently 4:08 p.m. and I'm gonna see if I can finish before 6 or so, because I kind of want to play like a bit of game before night. Yeah, long time not play Sims. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. Hi guys, so I am back home. Yes, it is Thursday, currently 6:22 or 6 something right now. Yeah, so that's just about me a snack, and she wants me to try it on camera. So it's called cheesy fries. Remember chicken chips? Yeah, I see them brand. I then do, you know, like when if you don't go cook shop on the other fries only, this is the fries only. It is nice. One, Rita is begging and she not getting it. You know, see, it's a 4 down. You have to come wait on yourself. 5. It is very nice. I love me my cheesy snacks. But I don't know, I love try them something here, because you know, after a while I get tired of something. Want something new. So if you know any new stocks on the market that is nice, comment the name in the write the name in the comments, and I'll see if I can actually find it, because my ear doesn't sell anything. So yeah, I have to try and find them otherwise. So yeah, that's very nice. Thanks to my sister for this nice little snack. If I find my sister ever finds some snack down our school and bring them, let me try. Yeah. So there's some over there, so you can't see her over there dark.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Hey guys, it is Friday evening and I am home. Well, I've been home for some time, but I just decided to come and like update you guys. So it's Friday evening. I don't think I'm gonna let this vlog go past today. So yeah, not in the vlog yet though. We're gonna have youth fellowship right now. I'm not even sure where do I youth fellowship at the moment, honestly, but yeah. And then why I want to finish today, because I think I have a lot of footage throughout this week, and then I'm just gonna like start like probably like a little reset vlog for the weekend, because I really do need to reset. Here one do a little bit, need to wash, need to do clothes to fold up, and all sorts of things need to be done for the weekend. So yeah, a little reset, a little prep for the week kind of thing, because normally people do Sunday reset. I don't normally do nothing on a Sunday like that, because Sunday is like my worship day, my rest/worship day. So I do them something there on a Sunday, so it's like I do it on a Saturday. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna head to church in a bit, and then when we come back over, hopefully we can play little Sims. Don't think I'm gonna be doing too much tonight. So yeah. I almost finished the vlog here, guys. I almost finished edit. I was editing yesterday, and I was editing what am I saying? I was editing today. So I finished all the footage I have so far. So it's just to like do like the intro part, and then do the last part of the vlog, then put them all together, do my finishing touches, and then the vlog will be ready for Sunday. Yeah, I need to make a thumbnail as well. All of them some there, but yeah, I'm liking this whole week kind of vlog thing, and you know, it kind of give me some time. So putting this up on like a Sunday give me some time for, you know, think about like one more vlog throughout the week and like put together a vlog, yeah, instead of like the two times for the week kind of vlog. Nah, it never did work out for me. So hopefully this way I can stay consistent and give you guys the quality vlogs, you know? Yeah. Anyways, guys, we'll go to church later. We're coloring. They're coloring.
I finished mine already, guys.
Yeah, I'm teaching them to color. This is my picture so far. It's a competition, guys. It's a competition. This is bad so far. Lie. Imagine like you see. Anyways, ignore them.
Like?
Ignore them.
Do you like? I mind that, mommy. You cannot do that.
Yeah, man.
This is really bad.
Get out.
I need some.
One I try to copy out of my book for. Go ahead.
Because yours is neater.
No. Come on.
Color.
So when no teeth will like crayon them down there.
If you copy,
What we use up here? What if you want up here to crayon?
if you copy, you're going to get low marks. Me say I'm not fit is sitting there, me know. Me should have mark any name them. Now I remember name them.
Right, long, I take them picture. Take them picture. Take them picture. Take them picture.
Just remember that it's
I 4 on the palm.
6 of them.
4 on the base. 4 on the base.
But should I go up on my vlog?
Get out!
Trying to take over my vlog.
Which vlog?
Then me not just put it in there while I go.
Wait, I already subscribed to you.
Songs. You know, this is my issue when it comes on to picture now. Some places you don't even know what belongs where. Hey guys, I wanted to hop on and end this vlog right here. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
And I will